All right, so this came in yesterday. So what's in the box? We have the SmallRig matte box basic bundle. I didn't necessarily, I wasn't necessarily looking to purchase this, but it was on sale. It was a great deal. So I went on and got it. And I'm going to try it on my Panasonic DVX 200 and see how it fits on there. I didn't necessarily buy it for the DVX 200. I'm actually buying it for a future camera that I get. So most likely I'm going to end up getting a mirrorless camera next. So I actually bought this matte box bundle for my next camera. So let's unbox it and let's see what's in the box itself. Okay, so here's the SmallRig matte box on my DVX 200 right here. So, you know, so this is how it looks on my Panasonic DVX 200. Looks kind of cool on it. Can't complain.